Hello everyone, I'm teacher Jordana. We are here today for the Cultura Halloween Cooking Challenge 2020. Today we're going to learn how to make spiderweb cupcakes. So let's go! So for this recipe we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of flour, 3 spoons of margarine or butter, softened, 1.5 spoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 2 spoons of chocolate powder, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of milk. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl. So I have mixed all the ingredients, and last, the baking powder. Now I'm going to fill the cupcake papers about 2/3, yeah? Not all the way through, otherwise when they bake, they're gonna spill. Now you're going to bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 30 minutes. Make sure a grown-up helps you. Okay everyone, now it's time to decorate our special Halloween cupcakes. So how are we gonna do that? You're gonna melt some white chocolate and some dark chocolate. You can use any type of plastic bag really, yeah, especially with a square shape like this. Then you're gonna cut open the end, okay, very thin. And you're gonna pour it into your cupcake. Okay, now, so to create the spiderweb, the cobweb effect, we're gonna do some swirls with the opposite color chocolate, okay? Now you're gonna get a toothpick and you're gonna do like this. There's your spider web. Now we're gonna do the same with the other one. So there you have it, people, your Halloween spiderweb cupcakes. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to send your video, use the hashtag, and be there for our very special prizes and everything that's gonna happen, okay? Thank you for watching.